quickly head across to Anuj now. Big day ahead with one major global event unfolding. Anuj, yesterday's selling, I think, caught a lot of people by surprise. Just the extent and the manner of it. What do you make of the market setup now?
Yeah, so good morning. At that stage of life where nothing surprises me. So, yesterday was that kind of a day. Out of nowhere, the market, collapsed, and intraday we were down 500 points on the Nifty. Look, you can ascribe various reasons. Clearly, there's something that the market knows that we don't. And that actual reason perhaps would come when the market is actually close to the bottom, and that reason perhaps would mark the bottom. Who knows? But as of now, you are ascribing various reasons. FI selling has been the easiest explanation. But we have seen FI selling in the past. In fact, entire rally we have seen FI selling. It's just that this time the selling has been way too aggressive. If you look at the October number, for example, it's been record selling, and November hasn't started on a good note either. Muted earnings season is another reason which is being given for this market fall, and that's true actually. If you look at the top line growth especially, that's been quite muted all through this quarter. The global cues of course have been strong, and we have been falling alone really. Sentiment right now is very weak, and I think no rally is sustaining here. The next stop is the 200-day moving average of 23450 thereabout. On the Nifty, the first support is 23,816, yesterday's low, and then if you break that 23,700, 23,800, the option zone. And on the upside, if you have a rally, 24,150 to 24,200 is the first resistance, and then 24,300 to 24,350. Bank Nifty has been one shade better, and yesterday SBI, out of nowhere, did support quite a bit. Here, the first support is 51,000 to 51,150, the 100 exponential moving average, which has been like a solid support for the Bank Nifty even in the October lows, and then 50,200 to 50,400. On the upside, 51,500 to 51,700, and then 51,800 to 52,000. But frankly, this market is no longer about the levels, it's about the sentiment.
Anuj, you're talking about all those reasons, right? I heard one more reason. Although I heard the reason, somebody told me after markets had shut. Yeah. So yesterday, apparently, there is an AMFI circular on market abuse which went into force. It went into force yesterday. Yeah. And apparently what it does is so traders at asset management companies will not be as aggressive they basically trade less. So it was, I spoke to a CIO at a fund and I asked him, well, is it true?
That's good news in this market, frankly.
No, the implication being that FIs are selling, locals are absorbing all of that. But because of the circular, they'll be, less inclined to take advantage of this, sort of price fall. But the CIO told me, well, we're in the business here to take advantage of anything which we find attractive. So circular, these kind of things should not. But at the margin, that was also, I heard this being cited as a technical reason, not a fundamental reason, specifically for yesterday's sharp fall. Anuj, thank you very much for that.